Welcome back. In this video, let us see how to use the upper, lower, and proper function. In this Excel sheet, I have email address, first name, and the last name. This Excel sheet data has properly formatted data. Let us say this is a properly formatted email address and first name and last name, how we want it. In some situation, whenever you get data, it might be not this format. It might be in a different format altogether. Let us say the format of this first name and the last name, if you get like this, all in the small case, then you will be able to convert the same text back to the first name and the last name like this. So first name and the last name is the first word of the first name is capitalized, and the first letter of the second word is also capitalized. Here also in the email address, if you see the word, first letter of the first word is capitalized and there is an underscore. Again, you see there is a name which is last name. The first letter of the second word is capitalized. Like that, if we wanted to convert the email address or first name and the last name in a proper format, then we will be able to use uppercase, lowercase, and proper functions. Let us see how we will be able to use all these three functions one by one. I have already used lowercase. I will delete this. If I wanted first name and the last name to appear in lowercase, I need to use the lower. So this is the lower function which I have to use. Then open the bracket, select the cell. So this is the cell which I have selected, and this will be converted to lowercase. And if I wanted to convert the email address, I can use equals. Then I'll be using lower again, open the bracket, and I will select the cell. Now the email address is converted to lowercase. If I wanted to copy the formula, I can copy the formula like this, and I will get the email address in lowercase. So this is my email address in lowercase. This is my first name and the last name in lowercase. But there will be some situation where you wanted to convert these words in uppercase. For that, we have another function which is called as upper. So I'll use upper function, open the bracket, then I will select the cell. The names has been converted to uppercase. If I copy the formula, I have all the names, which is my first name and the last name. Everything is converted to uppercase. And if I wanted to convert the email address to uppercase, I can use upper again, open the bracket, select the cell reference, and you have the email address in block letters in uppercase. So I have all the email address in uppercase. So we have seen how to use lower function, upper function. Let us see how we will be able to use proper function. Proper function will bring or convert the data back to this format. If I use the proper function, then I will select the first name and last name. Now, in the first word, the first letter has been capitalized, and the second word, first letter also has been capitalized. I will copy the formula. So this is using proper function. And similarly, usually email address will be kept in small case. if I wanted to convert email address in lowercase or email address in proper, I will use proper function. Now, this is also going to convert the first letter of the first word, first letter of the second word into capital. Close the bracket. The first letter of the first word, the first letter of the second word, and after at symbol, you have the first letter that is also converted. After the dot, again the first letter is also converted to capital. Now I will copy the formula. You have the first name and the last name and email address converted to lowercase, uppercase, and proper format. So this is how we will be able to use upper function, lower function, and proper function to convert the given text into uppercase, lowercase, or proper format. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the content, please subscribe and share the video. Thank you and take care.